Hey fellow homesteaders, I just got the replacement flashlight, the pen light that I always carry. Decided to go ahead and open it up on camera. I mean, you've already seen this, but I wanted to talk to you for a second. As much as I love these pen lights, you know, they're nice and bright, recharge them, the USB. This actually ends up being my 5th one. I've been using them for 5 years, and every single year I'd have to replace it. And the 3 newest ones that I've had, the light has begun flickering and I have to shake it or tap it or something like that. So I'm actually in the market for a replacement flashlight. Now, that's where you guys come in. I'm looking for some help. What do you guys use? I mean, I love the pen lights. It can go in my shirt pocket, my pants pocket. It's got the clip on it. Go ahead and let me know what you use, what you recommend. There's certain ones that I'm particularly interested in. Thrunite is one of them. Streamlight, I mean, that's a really popular one. I haven't looked to see if they have any actual pen lights or anything similar to a pen light. One that's kind of up and coming that I've noticed recently, a co-worker's got a couple of their items. It's called Olight. I've been seeing a lot on Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. So, you know, that's one company that I wouldn't mind trying out. So if you know of one that you like, you recommend, you've been using it for years, go ahead and let me know. You know, tell me down in the comments. You know, make sure that I can see who it is, and you know, if there's a specific product that you like, that you recommend, go ahead and do that as well. And I look forward to hearing from you. Till next time, keep kicking up dust.